Hardwoods, not just downstairs, but upstairs too. And on a cul-de-sac with an extra large backyard that's fenced in the highly sought after neighborhood of Churton Grove in Hillsborough. Folks, you're going to want to check out this video, and you're going to want to stick and stay to the end of the video when I reveal the hidden benefit for owning the wonderful home at 1604 Foreman. Let's check it out. We've got an updated, upgraded kitchen with these beautiful granite countertops, folks, stainless steel appliances, including a GE profile gas range and a butler's pantry. Also in the family room, we've got a gas fireplace and built-ins. Upstairs, not just hardwoods everywhere, but 4 bedrooms and a bonus that could be used as a bedroom. And this primary is wonderful. It's good size. We have a nook, and the primary bathroom has been upgraded. Hidden benefit here is this wonderful screen porch, the large concrete patio, and the fact that the backyard backs up to one of the many walking trails that are all through this great neighborhood of Churton Grove. Folks, whether you're looking to purchase a home in the next 9 days or 9 months, my team's ready to help you. Just let me know when you'd like to see 1604 Foreman in Hillsborough.